Hi guys, I'm Ayush. Welcome to this channel. Today we are going to do exercise 13.2 of class 10th RD, and we are going to do question number 7th. Uh, yeah, from 7th to 10th. So here's the question number 7th. This is saying that a sector of a circle of radius 8 cm contains an angle 135 degree. We are provided with radius and angle subtended to the center. So we need to find the area of sector. Here's a solution. We were provided with the radius 8 cm and angle subtended 135 degree. So as we know that area of a sector is pi r square theta upon 360. So we can simply put values r as 8 and theta as 135 degree. So by cancelling out the values, we can simply find the area of the sector, which is 24 pi. So this is the completion of question number 7th. Now we shall move forward for question number 8th. This is saying that the area of a sector of a circle of radius 2 centimeter is pi centimeter square. So we are in this question we are provided with area of the sector, and yeah, in this question we are provided with area of the sector and radius of the sector, and we need to find angle subtended. So here is the solution. This is the figure. We were provided with this area and this radius. So area is, as we know that area of sector is pi r square theta, and we are given the value of this, which is pi. So we can simply equate these two, and here by putting the values of r and r, we only have the value of r. Theta we need to find out. So by putting the value of r, we can simply find the value of theta, which will come out to be 90 degree. So we are done with this question. Here is the question number 9th. This is saying that the area of a sector of a circle of radius 5 cm is 5 pi square. This is just same as the above question, just values are changed. Then in this question as well, we need to find the angle subtended. So the same solution, area formula, which will equate to the value given in the question, and theta will come out to be 72 degree here. Now this is 10th question. In this question we need to find the area of sector only, of radius 5 centimeter, but there is a little changes in this question, as we are provided with the length of arc, which is 3.5 centimeter. So this is how we will do this question, as we were provided with the length of arc, which is 3.5 centimeter. So as we do in the earlier questions, we can put this equal to the pi r theta upon 180, which is the formula for calculating the length of arc. So if we put 3.5 equal to pi r theta upon 180, we can put the value of r here and find the value of theta. So here we will equate this. 3.5 is equals to pi, which is 22 by 7, r which is 5, theta upon 180. So by cancelling out all these, we will find the value of theta as 49 into 9 upon 11. I'm not calculating it into decimals, as we need to do further calculations with theta and it might get cancelled out. So next, as we need to find out the area of the sector, so we can just apply its formula, which is pi r square theta upon 360, and we just found out the value of theta. So we can put the value of pi as 22 by 7, r square as 5 into 5, and theta we just found out 49 into 9 upon 11, so upon 360. By doing all this calculation, we will find the area of sector, which will come out to be 8.75 centimeters square. So here's the completion of today's video. We have done 4 questions today, which is question number 7 to question number 10th. So thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe.